Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe 420d M Sport Auto, a stylish and dynamic luxury coupe combining performance, comfort, and practicality. At the front, the 4 Series Gran Coupe features the signature kidney grille, aggressive M Sport front bumper, and sleek LED headlights, giving it a sporty and commanding presence. With its M Performance styling kit, 19-inch alloy wheels, blue brake calipers, and gloss black front grille, this Gran Coupe exudes sporty elegance and aerodynamic efficiency. At the rear, the LED taillights, subtle lip spoiler, and dual exhausts create a bold and refined look. The electric-powered tailgate ensures easy access to the spacious boot. Powered by a 2.0-liter diesel engine, the 420d delivers efficient yet exhilarating performance. The 8-speed automatic transmission provides seamless gear shifts, while the M Sport suspension enhances handling and agility. Step inside to experience the luxurious coral red leather interior, heated front seats, and a Harman Kardon sound system for premium audio quality. The infotainment system includes Bluetooth, DAB radio, navigation, and cruise control, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable drive. The Gran Coupe design offers spacious rear seats with ample legroom, making it an ideal choice for passengers in long journeys. The split folding rear seats add extra flexibility for larger cargo. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration LT17HNZ to book a test drive or request a video tour.